How to choose a pet. Choosing the best pet. What pet is right for me? Kind of pets for me, I choose German Shepherd, a favorite large dog breed. The German Shepherd personality is aloof but not usually aggressive. They receive dog. They don't make friends immediately, but once they do, they're extremely loyal with their family. The best pet are those that make great companions. There are many different types of pet that could be right for you and be a wonderful complement to your life. Your pet choice should be based on what sort of animal suit your personality, best with your lifestyle and match your needs. German Shepherd as a pet. Life expectancy 7 to 10 years. Size 22 to 26 in 60 to 100 elders. Breed group herding, noble, diligent, loyal, and highly intelligent dogs. Diet avoid giving one large meal a day and having them gulp it down. Training inte- intelligence and desire to work should make training fairly easy. Health prone to hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, gastric dilatation, volvulus, and